Hi guys, so today we are diving into the heart of Indian cuisine with a classic and flavorful recipe, Indian style chicken curry. This rich and aromatic curry is packed with a symphony of flavors from warm spices like coriander, cloves, cinnamon to the tangy beat of fresh ginger and garlic. Tender chicken pieces are simmered in a fragrant tomato-based sauce, creating a dish that is both comforting and incredibly satisfying. Whether you are a beginner in the kitchen or an experienced cook, this recipe is easy to follow and perfect for a weeknight meal. I'll guide you through every step of the process from marinating the chicken to creating the perfect spice blend. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take a mixer jar. Add 6 garlic cloves, 2-inch ginger, 2 green chilies, 1 onion roughly cut, 2 tomatoes roughly cut, half cup water, and blend it to a smooth paste. So the paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then in a hot pan add 4 tablespoons mustard oil, 5 cloves, 1-inch cinnamon stick, 6 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, 1 onion chopped, and then fry it until the onion is nice and light brown. Then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, and fry the masala for about a minute. Then add the paste which was previously made and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 kg chicken cut in medium pieces and give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 20 minutes. Then give it a nice mix. And add 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 3 potatoes cut in cubes, add 2 cups water, half cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon sugar, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube and give it a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it until the oil separates. Then give this a nice mix. Then add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add some salt to taste. And then give it a nice mix. And cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a delicious and authentic Indian style chicken curry. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how you enjoyed this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more delicious recipes to come. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Indian style chicken curry as much as I enjoyed making it for you. It's a classic for a reason. I hope you'll try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your friends and family. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.